Ideal tomato seedlings should be 10 to 12 inches, 25 to 30 centimeters tall, with at least 8 leaves and a sturdy stem. If your plants look wilted before planting, use this hydration trick. Soak the roots in water with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar acts as an energy infusion, instantly hydrating the plant for a successful start. It's crucial to follow crop rotation and change locations every year. Tomatoes should only return to the same spot after 4 years to avoid soil-borne diseases. Professionals never plant tomatoes shallow, and here's why. Dig holes 8 to 12 inches, 20 to 30 centimeters deep, and follow the 2/3 rule. Bury 2/3 of the plant underground, leaving only the top third exposed. Tomatoes have the unique ability to grow roots all along the stem wherever it touches moist soil. This results in a massive root system that absorbs more nutrients, provides stability against wind, and survives drought effortlessly. Keep a spacing of 3 feet, 1 meter, between rows, and 20 to 28 inches, 50 to 70 centimeters, between plants. Do your tomatoes turn black on the bottom before they even ripen? That is blossom end rot, caused by calcium deficiency. Never throw away eggshells. They are the world's purest natural source of calcium. Wash, dry, and grind them in a coffee grinder into a fine powder. During planting, add 1 tablespoon of this powder directly into the hole at the root. Ground eggshells break down quickly and prevent rot, ensuring healthy, large fruits all season long. Plants need more than just water. They need real fuel. Make a natural fertilizer by mixing 0.35 ounces, 10 grams, of dry yeast and a little sugar into 1.05 quarts, 1 liter, of water. Yeast drastically boosts growth and strengthens the plant's immunity. Use it once or twice a month. 2 weeks later, rotate the yeast treatment with a liquid organic fertilizer. For watering, use the buried pot trick. Bury a plastic pot with holes next to the stem and pour water directly into it. This ensures the deep roots get all the moisture while the surface and leaves stay dry, providing the best protection against disease. Don't let the plant's energy go into wild leaf growth instead of the fruit. Once a week, remove suckers, side shoots, while they are still small, about 2 to 4 inches, 5 to 10 centimeters. Be sure to strip off the bottom leaves that touch the ground, as that's where dangerous blight starts. Once the tomato reaches your desired height, perform topping. Simply cut off the top of the main stem above the last fruit cluster. This forces the plant to send all its energy into ripening the existing fruit. Set sturdy stakes up to 5 feet, 1.5 meters, high to provide secure support. Summer rain and high humidity are perfect for blight, which can ruin your harvest in just a few days. For strong preventative protection in spring, use Bordeaux mixture. Mix 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, of copper sulfate and 4.2 ounces, 120 grams, of hydrated lime in 2.6 gallons, 10 liters, of water. Remember, the pre-harvest interval, PHI, for copper sulfate is 14 days, so do not spray during harvest. For eco-friendly protection with no wait time, use a milk-to-water ratio of 1 to 10, or baking soda at 1.7 ounces, 50 grams, per 2.6 gallons, 10 liters, of water. Milk creates a protective film, while soda changes the leaf's pH, completely blocking fungal growth. Spray preventatively after every rain, strictly in the late afternoon. But don't stop here. Click on the video appearing on your screen right now and learn how to grow the perfect tomato seedlings yourself for the new season.